Dear students, friends, that I am taking your subject marketing research. Okay, in marketing research, till date we have discussed many things. Okay, in Google Meet we discussed that what is market, what is marketing, and what is research. Okay, I have already uploaded videos in that. I have already discussed with you that what is marketing, meaning of marketing research. Okay, objective of marketing research. All these things we till date we have discussed. Now today we are discussing the new point in marketing research, scope of marketing research. Now scope of marketing research means what? We already know that what is marketing research. Marketing research क्या है हमें पता है, पर वो कौन-कौन से एरिया में करना चाहिए. So these are the area, target area in that marketing research effectively if we implement it, then we will get fruitful result. Okay, the researcher or the owner get fruitful result. If he want to be a successful in a market, then these are the core area in he has to work for the same. First of all, the first point is product research. Okay, now make research on a product. Okay, so how to make research on a product? Okay, so what type of product day by day customer are accepting and customer are demanding, that you have to study. In that you have to pay attention on the quality of the product, that customer are demanding quality product. Okay, they want quality product. The product should be stay long for a use. Okay, size of the product size is good enough. Okay, you have already seen that in each and every product they mention that if you buy 100 grams you will get 20%, 25% extra. So people are and customer are asking for more and more product. Packing of the product. Okay, definitely if you go for buying any things, if packing is very attractive, then definitely we will buy that thing. Okay, why? Because we are already attracted from the its packing. Okay, so product must be a qualitative product, number one. Number two, size means content. Always customer asking for more and more content in a less amount. And the third main thing, that attractive packing and use of that product. Okay, so in that research of that product, that we will get that how to make a product a customer friendly product, customer useful product. कस्टमर को प्रोडक्ट हैबिचुअल हो जानी चाहिए, उसको दोस्त जैसी लगनी चाहिए कि मुझे इस तरीके की प्रोडक्ट ही पसंद है. तो उस प्रोडक्ट पे हमें रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा और ऐसी प्रोडक्ट को हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि इस क्वालिटी की, इस साइज की, इस पैकिंग की प्रोडक्ट सबसे ज्यादा एक्सेप्ट होती है. तो फिर हमें ऐसी ही बनानी है. ओके, सेकंड थिंग, कंज्यूमर रिसर्च, रिसर्च ऑन अ कस्टमर. ओके, कस्टमर, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. Okay, because when you are research on a product is not a live thing, but consumer is a live thing. Consumer जो है वो live thing है, बराबर है. उनके आइडियाज और थॉट्स बदलते रहते हैं कंज्यूमर के, तो उन पर रिसर्च करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. तो डिफिकल्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज दैट कंज्यूमर रिसर्च. इन कंज्यूमर रिसर्च दैट यू हैव टू गेट ऑब्जेक्टिव बिहाइंड परचेज. व्हाई कस्टमर आर बाइंग थिंग्स. ओके, व्हाई दे आर टेकिंग देयर थिंग्स. ओके, सो उनके पीछे उनके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है वो आपको फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे कि कौन कौन सी चीजें वो कब खरीदते हैं, उनका एज क्या है, एज के हिसाब से वो कौन सी चीजें खरीदते हैं, उनका इकोनॉमिकल स्टेटस क्या है, हाउ मेनी रुपीज दे अर्न एवरी मंथ एवरी ईयर. देन मेल और फीमेल प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, मेल होते हैं वो कौन कौन सी प्रोडक्ट करते हैं, फीमेल कौन कौन सी प्रोडक्ट करते हैं, उनके लाइकिंग एंड डिसलाइकिंग्स क्या है. इन सब चीजों पर आपको बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आप कंज्यूमर रिसर्च कर सकते हो. बिकॉज दैट मेन नेचर आर डिफरेंट. एट अ वन पॉइंट दे हैव डिफरेंट आइडियाज, एट अ सेकंड पॉइंट दे हैव डिफरेंट आइडियाज. Okay, so to observe behavior of consumer is a very difficult thing. If you observe the consumer behavior, that these status people like this kind of product, okay, these age people like this kind of product, the male like this kind of product, female this kind like this kind of product, so you can easily sustain and survive in a market. The third thing is a sales research. Okay, you want to sell product. Okay, I already gave you one example. If suppose customer going for buying something to near shop, and at that shop he is asking for one product, that give me product of Colgate. But if Colgate product is not available at a shop, and if they provide product of Patanjali product or any other product is available there, then customer definitely buy the second product, because the first one is not available. So first thing is here distribution system. For a sale, you must have a very good distribution system. Your product available at each and every corner of the state, each and every corner of the city, each and every corner of the country. Okay. Second thing, that classification of sales, product wise, sales wise, that which kind of product demand more in which area. Suppose at some place that heavy rains are regularly affecting some area, that you can sell the rainy things, the rainy shoes, the rainy glass, the rainy umbrella. Okay, everything you can sell over there. Okay, so depend upon product, depend upon sales, depend upon your distribution system, you can increase your sales. You have to work on a sales, that how you can increase your sales. Okay, on sales you have to also give some different types of scheme to increase your sales. Okay, the first point is advertising research. This is the important thing, because many of customers don't know that this kind of product is available in the market. More than 10 times or 15 times if they see that advertisement, then and then they get idea that this kind of product is also available in market and we can also buy this kind of product and this is useful. Okay, so here the thing is advertisement. Okay, in advertisement, that to attract buyers, simple idea, simple objective behind advertising, to attract buyers anyhow. Okay, best media, find out best media. Nowadays that number of media is available. Okay, you can also publish media is there, that newspaper and TV media is there. Okay, computer and internet media is there. So which media is suitable for our product? So find out best media. Publicity campaigning. Okay, sponsor various publicity campaigning, so you can that endorse, if some Bollywood stars or actors endorse your product, then definitely your product is selling day by day increase. Okay, the last one, competition research. Okay, to know that what are the different strategy of your competitors. If your competitor is giving or applying the various strategy, the same kind of strategy you have to apply. If your competitor is giving more benefit to customer, the same kind of benefits you have to also provide to the customers. Okay, so here nothing but to find out what are the strategy of customers, what are the strategy of competitors. Okay, which kind of various benefit competitors giving to his customer, the same you have to provide or more you have to provide if you want to survive in a market. So these are the area where we can apply marketing research and we can get various ideas, we can get different things, various kind of different attitudes regarding customers, attitudes regarding the product and selling, and then we can definitely get a good idea. So which kind of product, which kind of consumer buy, which kind of sales we can easily sell, which advertisement medium we apply, and how to beat competitor. This we can do in a nice mode. Thank you.